Welcome back. So I'm going to show you another way of tracing your objects, but this time we are going to be using the pen tool. First of all, you unlock it, you convert it from a background layer to a regular layer where you can make use of. Then go to your pen tool or you tap your key P on the keyboard. Then you begin to trace it one by one like this. Pen tool is another flexible way of tracing. Left click and drag to create a curve. Always zoom in whenever you want to trace. Always zoom in. And I've taught you can zoom in using your keyboard, or Ctrl plus to zoom in, while Ctrl minus is to zoom out. Always zoom when you are tracing so that you get the edges perfectly. Okay. This resource folder, resource files will be provided for you so that you can use it to practice and get it better. Okay. Something like this. Okay, all the sides are empty. Okay. Let's zoom so I have it. Just removing, and whenever you have a curve, the flick and drag, the curve will be created right there, just like this. The flick and drag, the curve will be created. Okay. So I move it like this. Move it like so. Move it like so. Okay. Okay, so after closing it, then you have to make selection. You have to make the selection. Right click, make selection for it to be converted to selection. Then the feather is the edges. If you want the edges to be sharper, you reduce the edges to be from zero or 0 point something. The edges should be sharper. Then if you increase it from 112, go up 1, 2 or 3, the edges should be what? Kind of blur. Okay, now we have the selection, so you can set to mask it. So here we have done the tracing with pen tool. You can also use the pen tool to make tracing of an image. Okay.